It's almost time. Time for stop number one on the MotorWerks 2005 UK Power Tour. That's right. Awesome tin top action put on by the classic touring car racing club. Don't miss it. Sideways, on the limit action at one of the best circuits in the UK. 2 whole days, and you're going to cap it all by seeing the Super Tourers return to Brands Hatch. Bring your old memories and make new ones. There will be a range of cars going back to pre-66. Group 1 cars, Group A cars, pre-03 touring cars, and the Blue Oval series that lets in all the Fords that you can see. And anyone that loves Thunder Saloons, they have it for you. It's historic Thunder thrown in, capped by Super touring cars. Subscribe to MotorWerks Media on YouTube. And thanks to Steve Jackman for providing the media. MotorWerks Media is excited about coming all the way from Canada to see this great event. Don't miss it. And whenever you can, support the sponsors that support this race series. They are great people, they love the sport, and they have been supporting us for a long time. Find us at www.classictouringcars.com and come to Touring Car Heaven.